Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello everyone, checking in on SPY, the tech sector, the biotech sector, and BLOK, which is a blockchain ETF, and SQ. So the SPY bulls in full control, closed at the all-time highs on Friday. The market today said, we don't care about a government shutdown. They ran higher. They ran higher on the bullish news that the market or the government was back functioning, quote unquote, and we're extremely strong. So we're looking at all-time highs. Netflix had bullish earnings. The entire tech sector is likely to see some strength because of this, as people look to get in Amazon, Google, Facebook, and these other names for their earnings, because Netflix in the same sector had a very bullish reaction to earnings. So we are watching for that on the shorter term timeframes to indicate, overbought conditions. But if you're in blue sky breakout, RSI will not be as relevant. So bottom line is SPY bulls and the market are in full control. Tech sector, strong close and looking for more. After hours, the bid was at 68.50, already getting ready for a gap up open, thanks to the Netflix strength that we are seeing. So overall, bulls in full control, and we're going to be looking at Google all-time highs, Amazon all-time highs, Facebook heading back up towards all-time highs, as Netflix rockets through all-time highs. So keep an eye on the tech sector today, and keep in mind also that this is now going to be pricing in bullish reactions to these other names. So if they don't beat in a way that satisfies the market, it's going to have to take a big beat because the market is already going to be pricing in multiple percent of upside, anticipating strength. Biotech bulls, extremely strong. We have mergers and accusations leading the bulls higher. Huge gap up and follow through. This is the strongest I have ever seen the biotech sector in the last few years that I've been watching it. So bulls in full control. With this, we are getting the most oversold I have ever seen the biotech bears. This 3 times leveraged ETF absolutely dumped today. The hourly RSI is in single digits. We've seen 14 red hours in a row. I am watching for a bounce on LABD tomorrow. It's going to be a short-term play. It's going to be a day trade. I'm not looking to change the trend or anything. I'm just looking to cool off way overextended conditions and lead to a short-term bounce. So bulls in full control of the biotech sector, but we are due for some healthy short-term consolidation, which will be a short-term bounce opportunity on LABD. So LABD is at the top of the list for tomorrow. BLOK is a new ETF for blockchain names. Look at the first 5 days. Gap, 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 5% move since the open, and closing up at the highs, looking for more tomorrow. So the names that are in this ETF that are getting bought up are seeing extreme strength as well. SQ is one of them. Some of these other names that we're watching, but SQ today, big bull follow through, and we are looking at a lack of resistance, 47.40, a gap at 48.11, and then the all-time high of 49.56. 3 resistance levels left for SQ. As long as BLOK looks like this, the bulls are going to keep going. This is the ETF effect. We saw it for the Canadian MJ sector, and it ran the names in the holdings of the ETF for 2 weeks. This could be, just the start of another few days of follow-through. So the biotech, or I should say the blockchain names that are in this, look it up. Look up BLOK. There's another one. I believe the other ETF is BLCN. You'll have to double check me on that. It is BLCN. So check up the holdings of those names. Whenever there's a new ETF in a new space, it sees significant increase in the names that are the top holdings. We saw it in Canadian MJ. We're seeing it in blockchain. Another Canadian MJ ETF is coming up, and it is just all bulls in the market when that is the case. So keep an eye for follow through on SQ heading back towards its all-time highs. Keep an eye on these blockchain names. Keep an eye on LABD for an oversold bounce. That's where my attention is going to be tomorrow. And the tech sector looking for follow through and new all-time highs with the market overall. Bull is the word. Definitely want to be protective, but there is no sign of any weakness in the markets out there. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.